Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to this quick guide on how to stake Solana using your Phantom wallet. Staking is a fantastic way to earn passive income simply by helping to secure a blockchain network. Phantom makes this process incredibly user-friendly, especially for Solana, allowing you to participate with ease. It's a great option for those looking to maximize their crypto holdings without active trading, letting your assets truly work for you. First things first, you'll need some Solana in your Phantom wallet to begin. If you don't have any yet, you can easily transfer it from a crypto exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Just copy your Phantom wallet address, then paste it carefully into your exchange's withdrawal section. Always double-check the address before confirming the transaction to ensure your funds arrive safely. Next, it's time to choose a validator. These are the nodes that process transactions and maintain the network. Selecting a good validator is crucial for optimal returns and network security. Look for validators with a reasonable commission rate and a strong track record of uptime. You can often find helpful metrics within Phantom or on external Solana explorers to help you make an informed decision. Now, let's actually stake your Solana right in the Phantom wallet. Head over to the Solana tab, which usually shows your SOL balance. Look for the Start Earning SOL option, then simply click on it. From there, you will select your chosen validator and input the amount of Solana you wish to stake. Confirm the transaction, and just like that, you are staking your first Solana. Once staked, your Solana will start earning rewards over time. You can easily monitor your staked assets and accrued earnings directly within your Phantom wallet. Remember, you have the flexibility to unstake your Solana at any time, though it might take a few days for the funds to become liquid again. Staying informed about your stake status is a smart way to manage your crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.